This presentation provides an overview of the Victorian Auditor-General's report, V-Line Passenger Services. Reliable and efficient public transport services are vital to link Melbourne and regional Victoria. Closer to Melbourne, V-Line services many rapidly growing outer suburbs. In 2015-16, V-Line carried 17.7 million passengers, 16.3 million on trains and 1.4 million on coaches, an increase of 88.3% since 2006-07 and well beyond V-Line's expectations. The growth in patronage has been due to a range of factors, including the completion of the Regional Fast Rail project in 2006, the opening of the Regional Rail Link (RRL) in 2015, and population growth in outer Melbourne and regional areas. This has put pressure on V-Line services to incorporate features of an urban commuter network alongside its regional transport services. Our objectives were to assess how effectively and efficiently V-Line delivers public transport services, whether these services meet the needs of public transport users, and whether its planning is rigorous and effective in identifying and managing current and future performance challenges. We also examined Public Transport Victoria, PTV, the Department of Economic Development, Jobs, Transport and Resources, DEDJTR, and the Department of Treasury and Finance, DTF's, roles in overseeing and monitoring V-Line's performance. V-Line has not successfully dealt with the challenges it has faced over the past decade. However, it has recently started to turn this situation around and is now better informed about the risks and challenges facing its operations. V-Line must meet key service criteria for operational performance of its passenger services, which include the punctuality and reliability of train services and customer satisfaction with train and V-Line branded coach services. V-Line's performance has mostly fallen short of its targets and community expectations, despite infrastructure improvements and timetable changes. This is due to a range of factors, including V-Line trains failing to arrive at the metropolitan boundary in time to make their scheduled paths, conflicts between regional rail and metropolitan networks, and the failure of the RRL to deliver the expected performance improvements. Until recently, performance analysis has not been comprehensive enough to inform V-Line's management decisions and processes. The reliability of its data varies and the basis of the thresholds and targets for performance measures is unclear. To be efficient, V-Line needs to maximise revenues and minimise costs while providing the desired level of service. However, V-Line does not have the systems to accurately capture data across the different types of passenger services it delivers. Improved systems for capturing data would enable it to better understand opportunities for efficiency and to benchmark performance against railways with similar characteristics. Although V-Line has not actively measured or benchmarked the efficiency of passenger services since 2013, its continued focus on achieving cost savings has improved efficiency across a number of indicators. V-Line manages and maintains the regional rail network, a significant state asset. Incomplete knowledge of the condition of its assets has limited V-Line's ability to develop sound, long-term asset management strategies and to make evidence-based decisions on how to fund and prioritise maintenance and renewal work. In 2015, V-Line began to address these deficiencies by adopting a whole-of-life asset management approach, completing condition assessments across its network and fleet assets, and identifying its maintenance backlog. It can now prioritise investment according to criticality and risk. However, V-Line must continue to increase its capacity to actively identify and manage assets and maintain infrastructure. V-Line is hampered by the transport portfolio's complex governance structure, with its complicated reporting and funding arrangements and lack of clarity in agencies' roles and responsibilities. The recent establishment of Transport for Victoria, with its focus on planning, should strengthen governance in the transport portfolio. We made 4 recommendations for V-Line to strengthen its monitoring processes for measuring train punctuality, improve its systems for data collection, conduct performance benchmarking, and improve understanding of how community service obligations affect V-Line's performance. We made 2 recommendations to PTV to improve how it monitors and manages V-Line's performance, and to work with V-Line to more accurately measure V-Line's performance and reflect customer experience in its public reporting. We made 2 recommendations to DEDJTR to work with PTV and V-Line to better understand factors affecting V-Line's punctuality, the level of overcrowding on passenger trains and service demand, and to review the transport portfolio governance framework to clarify the roles and reporting of key agencies. For further information, please see the full report of this audit on our website, www.audit.vic.gov.au.